Hey viewers, welcome to my another video. So in this video I'm gonna tell about my bike. Yes, it's my Yamaha R15 version 3 and it's a 2.5 years old bike. In this video I'm gonna explain about a liqui moly performance package. I got a performance package which is a 15W50 Street 40 engine oil. It's a fully synthetic oil, and I also got an engine flush, speed addictive shooter, and MOS2 shooter. And I'm gonna explain more about this MOS2 shooter, which is a molybdenum disulfate. MOS2 is the first product from liqui moly and it's more effective. I'm gonna explain how to use this. So guys, I got a new oil filter with me now. I'm gonna add some oil in this before I change the old engine oil filter. Why? Because we should not take our bike instantly after changing the old parts. We should have the engine oil flow in this engine oil filter as per. So I'm gonna use my engine oil, some of my engine oil, and yeah, this got a fan oil in it, and I'm gonna add some engine oil with this one. Yeah, so it should be good. Since I don't have proper tools with me, I came here to change the engine oil. First, I'm gonna use the engine flush. You can directly insert the engine flush inside your current engine oil, which will remove the sludge, metallic contents, and optimize the performance of your engine. This engine flush is a petroleum product, so you don't have to worry about that engine damage. Once the engine flush is inside your current engine oil, keep your bike on for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will go inside all part of your engines. After 10 minutes, you can remove the old engine oil from your bike. You can find all the sludges are removed with the engine oil. It's time to change the engine oil and the oil filter, and here's the engine oil from liqui moly. Liqui moly is the official sponsors of Moto2 and Moto3, and it is highly recommended. We have a 15W50 engine oil with us, and I'm gonna pour inside the engine directly. Once the engine oil is completely inside your engine, you can have the MOS2 shooter inside your engine oil. Best in market for your engine loops. You can directly insert the MOS2 shooter paste inside your engine oil. This one here is a speed addictive shooter which can be directly poured inside your fuel tank. So guys, I hope this video will be useful for you, and I'll mention the product links in the descriptions. Please check it out, and please like and share if you really like it. Bye, see you in the next video.